How to merge two Instagram account in one? Can you merge two Instagram accounts? So let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then go to the profile. Here you can see this is a profile. So if you want to merge two Instagram account, just you have to just create those accounts with the same email or same phone number, or basically the thing is same Gmail account. So when you create a account with the same Gmail or just same email, so after that when you log into any account, and other account will be showing you with this. So when you just create accounts with same email on Instagram, then those accounts will be merged in one. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.